How to deposit crypto into Redotpay. Now in this video, I'm going to show you one of the method for you to deposit crypto into Redotpay. So before anything else, all I have to do at the very first glance is make sure that the Redotpay crypto or card and pay that you're using is updated to the latest version so you will not encounter any bugs and crashes while running and using the app. Now open up the application and make sure that you're logged in. So of course, before depositing any funds or even crypto on Redotpay, make sure that your account is already been verified by uploading necessary documentations for verification process. Now depositing crypto is very simple. All you have to do from your home screen is to tap on this plus icon that says deposit, and then this is what I was actually talking about earlier. So to allow local laws and help protect your account from fraud, you just need to complete the identity verification for you to use Redotpay. Now, this is going to be very simple. Once you tap on deposit, you just need to follow on-screen prompts, choose the designated cryptocurrency, and you will be having your wallet address. And that's it. That's how you deposit crypto into Redotpay.